The next application of industrial control circuit is the basic emergency lighting system. This basic emergency lighting system is to be used for the various applications, for the household purpose, for the industrial purpose, and also in the emergency services such as the medical system. This circuit consists of step down transformer, center tap rectifier, SCR circuit, C1, R2, R3, 6 volt battery, and diode D3 and R1. Whenever the input AC voltage is applied to this transformer, this is the center tap step down transformer. When 230 volts is applied to the primary side of the transformer, here the 6.3 volts is appeared on the upper half winding and the same voltage is appeared on the lower half winding. But during the positive half cycle of the input AC voltage, terminal diode D1 is to be forward bias. At the same time, diode D2 is to be reverse bias. And as the diode D1 is forward bias, we obtain the rectified voltage across the terminal A, having the maximum amplitude of 6.3 volts here. Again, during the negative half cycle of the input AC voltage, terminal lower half winding becomes to be positive, and hence diode D2 is to be positive as compared to the diode D1. Diode D2 is to be forward bias, and again the same rectified voltage is appeared at point A here. And maximum amplitude of rectified voltage is the 6.3 volts here. Whenever this rectified voltage is to be present at terminal A, here the current flow through the lamp, and this lamp is to be glow. Similarly, at the same time, here that voltage is applied to the diode D3. Here diode D3 is to be on, and current flow through the R1 and the battery, which charges the battery towards its maximum value of 6 volts here. Voltage at terminal A, which is connected directly to the cathode of the SCR, is to be higher voltage than the anode voltage here, and cathode voltage is 6.3 volts, and because of this reason here terminal A has the maximum amplitude of the voltage. Capacitor C is to be charges with the upper plate positive and the lower plate negative. DC voltage is to be established across the resistor R2 here. But as the cathode voltage is at the higher positive potential than the anode voltage, because of this reason SCR is to be off. Here we use the positive potential concept. Here SCR is turned off during the input AC voltage here present or applied to the circuit, and hence this diagram 2 shows that SCR2 is to be off here, because cathode is at the higher positive potential than the anode here, and hence here SCR is to be off, shown in the circuit. Now we have to study the situation. What will happen if there is the emergency failure of the input voltage? What will happen to the circuit? If there is the emergency failure of the input voltage, here the output voltage produced at point A is to be 0, and hence this rectified voltage becomes to be 0 here, or here becomes to be 0 volt here. Because of this reason here cathode potential is to be changed, voltage across that capacitor is also to be changed. Capacitor C1 is to be discharged through the upper plate positive, diode D3, R1 and R3, and the lower plate of the capacitor which is to be negative. Because of this reason here, cathode potential is to be dropped down. Cathode potential is to be dropped down to 0 volts, and hence its anode potential is to be higher than the cathode. And because of this reason here, this SCR is in the forward conducting mode here, and when the proper gate voltage is applied through R3 to the gate of the SCR, SCR is to be trigger or SCR is to be turned on, and whenever SCR is to be turned on, this SCR is to be directly connected to the lamp circuit, which is to be shown in the figure 3. Whenever there is a failure of the input AC voltage here, battery is connected to the lamp through the switch, that is the static switch, that is the SCR, and hence SCR is to be on, which connects the battery and the lamp, and lamp is to be glow. Here again we assume that if there is the input AC voltage is to be appeared at that instant, here again the SCR is to be turned off here, and the lamp is to be disconnected from the 6 volt battery, and this lamp glow because of the voltage appeared at point A. In this way, this basic emergency light system is to be worked. Thank you.